You've got to be kidding me. Netflix and YouTube in the car. This little adapter by AutoSky has got to be the neatest little thing I have ever seen. As long as you have a screen in your car, you can have Netflix and YouTube on the go. You just plug it right in. It was so simple to set up. It takes just a second to load. It comes with two different adapters. So you have the USB-C here, and then you also have just a regular USB. It's so lightweight and compact. There you go. It's that quick, that simple, and it turns into a CarPlay. You have Netflix, YouTube, and the CarPlay features. You connect it to your hotspot on your phone, or if you have internet in your car. I'm so amazed at the quality. It's so crystal clear. I'm telling you, you cannot beat the deal. On sale right now for $50. It would make the perfect Christmas gift, or just to buy for yourself to keep those kids content in the vehicle. We all get trapped in the car at some point in time, and you need something to do to occupy them. This is your answer. I'm going to link it right here above my name. Go ahead and click that orange cart and grab yours.